morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning, the beginning of the week, of the normal work week, Last night, it was Sunday dinner with Robin, and she chose egg foo young. Super simple, but there's some tricks to this. Use a smaller pan, non-stick, and the gravy in this particular recipe is like it makes a lot. So consider making 3/4 or half of the amount. If it's just 2 of you or 3 of you, it should be plenty. Because the actual egg foo young fills a plate. So just be forewarned, because it's really good. And you don't have to like super dice everything. I didn't. You can leave things just a little chunky. But it's really, really, really good. And of course, I will get the recipe posted. Yeah. All right. Tonight, we pick up the Culinary Expedition. Took a few days off, but we're back. And tonight, we're headed to the Czech Republic. So tonight, I am actually, I honestly, I haven't looked it up, but I don't even know what language they speak in the Czech Republic, but it looks the letters look very Russian. But I am preparing lentil soup with smoked meat. All right, let's get to it. Hardware's really simple. Dutch oven. That's it. All right, software. I'm using green lentils. The recipe calls for, because says you could have a choice of either, or they suggest green or brown. I have green on hand. I have plenty of green on hand. Half an onion, carrot, celery. That will be veggie broth. I oopsed and didn't get it on my list. That's okay, I have to go out anyway. Garlic. This is a half can of diced tomatoes. I have 1 smoked bratwurst left over from last week. I will be using that in this. Kosher salt, black pepper. That's it. No other herbs, no other spices. This is it. Basically a mirepoix, some smoked meat, and lentils. So did you have a good weekend? I worked all weekend, and not just in the kitchen, but in various rooms in the house, especially in my office. I did some big cleaning and reorganizing in my office. It needed to be done, and there's still a little work to do. But okay. Heat's coming back later in this week. So stay hydrated, stay cool, stay indoors if you can in the AC. All right, with that, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.